Today, I don't know if we're trying to name a glitch, but we are going to try to name a glitch today. Because people have been saying it's real. So we're going to try it for ourselves today. And if it is real, we'll just delete Gacha Life. And yeah. So, I promise you I won't edit Gacha Life. People are saying that name a glitch is real. And we're going to try it out for ourselves. It's supposed to make her happy. Gacha Life is playing up. Guys, I'll be right back when I've reinstalled Gacha Life. Guys, now I'm going to reinstall it. Why is my iPad being so slow today? Let's try again, guys. Okay. I'm not using them anyways, so. I'm sorry if this most of the video is watching me installing Gacha Life. Hold on. Guys, it's finally installing. So, if the glitch happens, if the glitch does happen, then I'm definitely deleting Gacha Life and never installing it. But I'm praying that Nemo's not on Gacha Club because I have that and I've made some new characters. I've just letting you know the difficult girl glitch. Well, I'm not telling you. You have to find out for yourself, guys, if the glitch is real or not. Because if it isn't, then you're going to say I've got some really good editing skills. But if it is real, then you're going to get really freaked out and you're going to delete Gacha Club. I know you are. So you're going to have to, sorry, if you have to copy the full character. Okay guys, looks like that glitch is cancelled. Guys, this is so creepy. Sorry about that. Okay. Go into presets and find Gina. She's in Club Danger. Look. There is Gina. Okay. Go into profile. 3 a.m. Something bad will happen. Gina. Really, Gina? Look, guys, let me go into editing. Surprisingly, it doesn't turn into a sword. But there's no way we're keeping Gina. We're gonna. Gina, really? Okay, guys, we're gonna see if we can find any more characters in Gacha Life. Okay. Bex is one. Let's see if she has any. Alright, guys, so. I would really like the Gacha Club people who made this to please get rid of 3 a.m. something bad will happen. Because it's probably going to scare a lot of people who play Gacha Life or Gacha Club. I don't want you. Okay. Soon there'll be more glitches, guys.